So I'm working on this very exciting project. As someone who really loves nature, I was able to bring nature into this client's home. And here how we managed to do it. We did this by implementing two key features in this villa. The first feature is this interior courtyard, and it's the first thing you see once you enter this client's house, in which it has many benefits. First of all, it's very aesthetically pleasing to look at. It evokes a positive energy, brings natural light into the space, which gives a very calming sense. And it's also an effective stress relief. The second feature is this floor-to-ceiling window in the master bathroom, which serves the same purpose and is an added luxury touch. You can fully relax while being surrounded by greenery within the space.